we gotta take it apart. So, based on this, we're going to take this in there and then see. I mean, we may only need 1.5 of these because I don't think it's that high in the
Right.
camper. So, okay.
Take that off, put this inside.
Yeah, I just want to see where it's going to fall, and because I only want to cut once. We'll just end up putting a hole in here and then coming back and fitting this to make it work. So.
So modifying the pipe.
We're going to modify the pipe. Yep. So what we'll do is we'll cut the hole so that we have ample room front and back. I mean side to side. And then we'll cut the hole. Now we're going to just put in a pilot hole so that our cutter will fit inside there, and using a step bit that'll get us inside the wall. All right, there's no going back now. You got a hole in your wall. Yeah, we just wanted to seal as much of that up as we could. So again, turn it around. You got to make sure it's fire block sealant so it can withstand the heat. All right. Probably should go out there and do that now since we got this out, huh? All right. This goes against the wall. We're going to bring this right up into here. It's got to fit in there. Hold the bracket. Can you see it down in there? Yep. That's what I was afraid of.
Put in an extender.
You see this?
Yeah, it's a gap.
There's a gap. I don't know what to fill that gap with. Because I don't think they make a shorter piece that goes inside. I know they make a longer one, but I don't think they make a shorter one.
And we thought it was going to be too short.
I thought it was going to be too short. Well, my concern was getting past this, which I think will be okay. Yeah. So we just need to figure out how we're going to secure this. We're perfectly plumb this way, but going back and forth this way, there's a slight angle coming towards me. So it's more than a slight, it's probably a 1/2 inch. But we'll see what that looks like on the inside and see if we can get that black pipe into there. What's it look like?
That's perfect.
Okay, we're still a little bit, could have came up a little bit more, but I think we're gonna have to live with that.
It looks good from here.
Okay. Got to get up higher. Any top heavy? Nope, right there, right there.
Okay. Do me a favor.
Yep.
We're good. Ooh.
Looks like it went in there. There you go.
Where's that sticker?
It's facing the inside.
Slightly touching the roof.
Yeah, yeah, it is at an angle because, and then it pulled it out. We need a longer piece to come out in the middle. If you come down right now, you can see that it's at an angle.
So what, this isn't gonna work?